think that data scientist is one person. But typically, I think data scientist is a team, and everybody has a very specific role and very specific skill sets that are required to do that job. And that kind of opens up this field for people with different kind of skill sets. And that's what I'm going to talk about in the masterclass as well. In 2003, I graduated from IIT Bombay. And that's a long time ago. And what has happened since then is I've got this long career in data science, and I was actually lucky to start the career early on when the field was not so high. Like there was not so many people trying to get into the field. It was just on the cusp of this exponential growth which you are seeing. So I'm also a consultant for International Finance Corporation, which is part of World Bank Group. This is also a very exciting role because what I do is I spend about 70% of my time working with International Finance Corporation, and rest of the time I'm also work with other companies such as like people who are doing work in IoT or healthcare or various other industries. Since I started my career so early, I was actually lucky to get the exposure not through data science in multiple fields. So I worked in banking, I worked in healthcare, I've done projects in IoT, then did things in retail, hospitality. So essentially a large gamut of domains I was able to cover. I've been working in data science for quite a long time. And one of the things that I keep experiencing, like through my LinkedIn account or emails that I get from many of you possibly, that how to start a career in data science. How an aspirational data scientist can kind of design their journey of getting into the field, working with organization, and how slowly they can possibly build their career in data science. And it's a very hands-on and very practical experience, which will help you understand this entire journey and what kind of things data scientists do, what kind of questions to expect when you go for an interview, a data science interview. What is the right place, right book, or right say course to attend? Is there even a course which will help you out, or is there something beyond that you will have to do? So those are the kind of questions that I'm planning to answer in this masterclass. Essentially, anybody who is interested in starting their career in data science, and who is interested, typically people who are graduating, who are just fresher, who's trying to get into data science. That's one set of people. The other set which is coming up is all the people who are trying to make a transition from their existing career. A large number of people will be able to fit. So it's not just engineers, sometimes even people with MBAs, or even people in economics, or even arts for that matter, have a place to find in this entire field of data science. So looking forward to talking to you all on the 3rd of April when the masterclass is scheduled. So come join us, and I'm sure we'll have a lot of interactive, it will be a fairly interactive session. So do come up with a lot of questions as well.